if you want to send money to someone or a page or a community on VK app, then please make sure you watch this video until the end, because then you will be able to do so. First step is to open the VK app on your device, and you need to go to the page, the person you want to send money to. So let's do that first. And we have him here. So let's say I want to transfer money to this person. You click on the three dots and then you click on money, as you can see. And it will generate a QR code and it will generate a link, a public link or an anonymous link. And what you need to do to transfer the money, you can either with another device scan this QR code, and then you will be guided through a process and to transfer money as the end goal. So if you want to scan it with another device, I would say do that. Or if you want to use an anonymous link, you can use this link over here. You can copy it to your clipboard when you just press on it. Or you can use the public link. And that's how it works. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.